Good afternoon, everyone, from EPCOT. It is EPCOT Day, because every day should be EPCOT Day. I think every day should be EPCOT Day. He doesn't think every day should be EPCOT Day. It is super windy today. It's Tuesday. It could RAIN. We'll see. So today we are going to do Guardians. I know, Soarin', maybe Mission Space. We're gonna try that again. And then if it doesn't RAIN, then we might go to World Showcase.
Okay.
I don't know. I guess I don't know why we continue to make plans, because
Well, we don't make plans. We intend on doing stuff, and then we don't do it either, just because we're just kind of like.
it just doesn't. For some reason, it doesn't ever work out. I don't know.
And we got this tropical depression that's coming in, could form into something bigger. Who knows? But you can kind of see the effects of it right now. It's windy.
Yeah.
Looks like it could come down, but it's hit or miss.
Yeah. So we'll see. So that's the plan today. We'll see if it works out. If not, we'll just do whatever we do. So, yeah, let's go do it.
Hello and welcome to Soarin'. My name is Patrick and I'll be your chief flight attendant today. We'll begin boarding in a few minutes, but first I'd like to acquaint you with some important safety information. When the doors to your flight open, please take a seat and store all carry-on items in the under-seat compartment. This includes cameras, purses, hats, and of course, these little beauties. Next, fasten your seatbelts, inserting them into the buckle on your right. If smaller aviators don't measure up to the height indicator on the seat, just put the belt through the loop in the center strap before buckling. Nice work, pal. Soon you will be airborne. So if you or your little aviators have a fear of flying or of heights, you might want to wait for your party at the arrival gate. Okay, let's review. That is seatbelt, carry-on item, safety strap, fear of heights, keep your hands and arms inside at all times. Anything else? Yeah. Have a nice flight.
Culmination of the wonders of Xandar, you will be teleported to a Nova ship above your planet for a demonstration of the cosmic generator. I trust you will find it an unforgettable experience.
Okay, headed for the jump point. This plane is never gonna work. Rocket!
Well, okay, I've locked onto your vehicle.
We'll be right behind you.
you. Nothing to worry about.
Unless we cannot stop this unusually large man, then you are likely doomed.
Drax!
Good luck. You're gonna need it.
It was useless to follow me. What is that noise?
Who's gonna stop rock and roll from existing?
What have you done?
What have we done?
I think we jumped back.
Okay, well, we're back at the car because there was a downpour.
Yeah.
And we just got off Guardian, so as soon as we came out, a little before we went in, but
It was trying, and then it stopped, and then it started to go again, and
Yeah.
it's Florida, so
yeah. And then we didn't really want to leave this early, but you never know.
Yeah.
Like some of the skies look really dark, and some.
And if anything, we were on our way to World Showcase, and that's probably the worst place you want to be
Yeah.
at when it does start to rain, because shelter's very slim out there.
Yeah. So, but it was a good day. We did Soarin',
There you go, sorry.
Nemo,
Yep.
Guardians.
And Guardians, yeah. And then you guys got your magnets for the pass holders. So.
Solar magnet. So that was a good day, I guess. So,
So,
all right. Well, that's going to do it for us. We are going to drive home in the rain. So we will see you next time
On this time.